good and a wood stove sure feels fine. Are you ready? It's a dog's life. It's a dog's life. The food is good and the wood stove sure feels fine. It was not long ago I witnessed Kettle Row. The line grew shorter in my days, numbered few. But they came just in time. They treated me so kind. They opened the door and let me run outside. Here we go again, ready? It's a dog's life. It's a dog's life. They opened the door and let me run outside. Alright, here we go. Don't you be shy now. Let it out. Okay, that's enough. I got the yard and the sun. I don't bother anyone. But if you've got strange ideas, you better keep away. 'Cause I'm not going back to that lonesome kennel camp. I stay right here and keep them squirrels away. Here we go, come on, nice and big. It's a dog's life. It's a dog's life. I stay right here, keep them squirrels away. Alright everybody, one more time, let it rip. It's a dog's